Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add Whirlpool transitions on your edits in CapCut PC. So in here, I've already have two clips added in my CapCut PC timeline. And to add the Whirlpool transitions, what you need to do is just go to the transition menu at the top. Then click on the search column in here and then just type in Whirlpool. Okay, so after this, you can see there are two options of Whirlpool transitions that you can add. Here, I'm going to just use the second one in here. If it's your first time using it, you need to download it first by clicking on the arrow down. Then click on the plus icon. And as you guys can see, there will be a gray box. So this is where the transition began. This is the Whirlpool transition. And if you want to adjust the durations, you can just click on the transition and swipe it to the left or right like this. And you can also do it in here. So this is the final result. And that's how you can add the Whirlpool transitions on CapCut. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye!